Developing a strong brand identity is crucial for creating a lasting impression and establishing trust with your audience. Here's a concise guide. Know your brand. Understand your brand's core values, mission, and unique selling proposition. What sets your business apart? Target audience. Identify your ideal customers. What are their demographics, interests, and pain points? Logo design. Create a memorable, versatile, and visually appealing logo that encapsulates your brand's essence. Color palette. Choose a cohesive color scheme that conveys the right emotions and aligns with your brand's personality. Typography. Select fonts that reflect your brand style and are easy to read. Use them consistently across all materials. Visual elements. Define other visual elements such as icons or patterns that contribute to your brand's recognition. Brand voice. Develop a unique tone and style for your brand's messaging. Is it formal, casual, or playful? Messaging and tagline. Craft a clear and concise tagline that encapsulates your brand's promise. Ensure your messaging resonates with your target audience. Consistency. Maintain consistency in design, language, and messaging across all brand touchpoints, including your website, social media, and marketing materials. Brand guidelines. Create comprehensive brand guidelines that outline how your brand should be presented and used, including logo usage, color codes, and tone. Website and online presence. Your website should reflect your brand identity with consistent colors, fonts, and imagery. Social media. Apply your brand identity to your social media profiles and content. Engage with your audience in a way that aligns with your brand's voice. Physical presence. If you have a physical store or office, ensure the interior design, signage, and staff behavior reflect your brand identity. Feedback and adaptation. Listen to customer feedback and be willing to adapt your brand identity to meet changing market demands. Branding as a story. Your brand identity should tell a story that resonates with your audience and builds emotional connections.